Hey guys, I'm Aiden from Thinkware Dashcams, and today we're going to be unboxing our latest flagship 2K 2-channel dashcam, the Q800PRO. The Q800PRO shares the same shell as the F800PRO. However, the sensor has been upgraded to a Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor. The new image sensor bumps the image quality from 1080p to 2K. Let's get to the unboxing. The first thing in the box is a Q800PRO main unit. Now let's unbox the accessories. So the first thing in the box is the quick start guide and warranty information. Next we have the windshield mount. We have a USB card reader, the 12-volt power cable, spare 3M adhesive, some adhesive cable clips, and the last thing we have is the micro SD card with a full-size SD card reader. Thanks for watching. The Q800PRO is available in the link in the description below.